The last thing I want to show you how to do with Google Calendar is how to set up reminders and notifications. Up in the gearbox in the upper right hand corner are the settings that would govern all of your calendars. And over here on the left under My Calendars, when you use the drop down next to the name of a calendar, the calendar settings in this menu would relate just to this specific calendar. So let's go ahead and visit our overall calendar settings using the drop down in the upper right and choosing Settings. And we're going to go into Mobile Setup. If you want text messages sent to your mobile phone 10 minutes or half an hour before meetings or any events on your calendar, you just need to enable your mobile phone. I have disabled my mobile so that my number is not public on the web, but it's very easy to enable this. And all you need to do is put in your phone number right here, click Send Verification Code. You're going to get a code on your phone. You enter it right here and you click Finish Setup. That's all you need to do. Save your changes and you'll go back to your calendar. Now you can go into each of your individual calendars and adjust your settings. So for my team calendar, let's say I want a reminder for every event on there because I tend to forget meetings. So every time something goes on the team planning calendar, a few minutes before it happens, I want a reminder. Choose that drop-down menu next to the team planning calendar and go into this calendar settings. Go to the Notifications tab, and then you'll select how you would like to be notified. Right now there are no reminders set, so I would need to add a reminder. So I can go in and I can say by default, remind me via a pop-up on my screen or an email, and I can set this to 10 minutes or an hour, however long I would like to. I can do hours, days, or weeks before each event. Again, this is going to govern all of the events that I put onto that calendar. And I can also, if I had configured my cell phone, if I had set that up in the previous step, I would have an option here to get a text message. So you can set up reminders for all events on your calendar. That will mean that you're going to get a lot of reminders, or you can just do it event by event. So for my third grade calendar, I don't want to set up notifications for the entire calendar. I'm the one who's adding most of these things on here, and I don't want a reminder every time I put something on the calendar. Maybe for something like the conflict managers meeting, I would like a reminder. So if you want a reminder just for a specific event, you can do that as well. So if you choose the event and select Edit, you can scroll down to where the reminder is and add a reminder just for this specific event. If your cell phone is configured, you'll have the ability to get a text message reminder, or you can choose email or pop-up reminders and you can adjust the time. So that is how you set up your notifications within Calendar, and hopefully Google Calendar will help you remember all the things that we have to keep track of in our busy schedules.